This homemade chicken Caesar salad is so good. The chicken is tender, the croutons are crunchy, and the dressing is out of this world. We marinate our chicken for about 1 hour in our Greek chicken marinade, made with olive oil, honey, balsamic vinegar, lemon juice, dill, garlic, oregano, and Greek yogurt. While the chicken marinates, make the croutons and dressing. Cut hearty bread into cubes, toss them with olive oil, salt, pepper, and your favorite herb blend. I used Italian seasoning. Then bake at 425 degrees F until golden and crisp. This is our classic Caesar dressing. Start by finely mincing garlic and anchovies. Then set them aside and whisk an egg yolk with lemon juice and Dijon mustard. Then as you're whisking, slowly stream in oil. Doing this nice and slow makes sure our dressing gets creamy. To finish, whisk in the anchovies and garlic as well as a generous amount of grated Parmesan cheese. Now to cook my chicken, I sear it on both sides in a grill pan for color and then finish it in the oven. It turns out so juicy and flavorful this way. I mean, look at that. It's so juicy and flavorful, and thanks to the yogurt, our chicken is really tender in the middle. I cut it into pieces to add to my salad. And speaking of the salad, it's time to put everything together. Greens, I've got romaine and kale, thinly sliced onions, croutons, dressing, lots of Parmesan shavings, and of course, our chicken. Give everything a good toss, and that's it. Absolutely incredible homemade chicken Caesar salad. I cannot wait for you to try it.
If you were wondering, Joanne did leave me a couple of bites. It's a really good one. See you next time.